Hello, everyone. I'm audible to you. How about you, Aman? I'm audible to you. Hmm.
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yes, Gaurav, Nitin, Rahul, Rupali, everyone is audible, right? That's fine. See, I have kept the session of recording. Kindly do not stop the recording. Okay, don't touch this recording session because it is problem for you guys. Okay. Then fine. So yesterday we are completed with the topic of posting periods. You can just see we created the business areas, then we went to the financial year of the company, then we maintain the posting periods of the company. Okay, so today what we will do, we will create the document number ranges and that what are the document types. Okay, so I'll tell you what is document number ranges and document type. So this is the thing which we will begin now. Okay, for document number ranges, why we maintain document types, I will tell you. Okay, so for that we will go for SAP log on. Is your server is working fine, guys? Today is your server is working? Everyone? Yes. I think the server is not working today. Can you guys just check it out like the server is working? Any one of you or everyone can just check and tell me whether the
नहीं
server
सर, आज सर्वर वर्क नहीं कर रही है। मैंने भी ट्राई किया था शाम को, तब भी नहीं कर रही।
लॉगिन नहीं हो रहा आपका? नहीं हो रहा ना?
नहीं सर, लॉगिन नहीं हो रही। ये दोपहर से ही नहीं हो रहा है।
अरे अरे. Then how can I tell the next session without this? How my all data are in this only? No. I need to compare the many. This. I already sent her. Yeah. I already sent her at afternoon. I think server is not working. I cannot show you without the server. Then what shall we do? Fine, then I'll do one thing. The same course and the same this all things, I'll create it in my company here in my access. I have another access. I'll just do doing that. ESP it is. First was SPRO, Asset Personal IMG. First was a defined companies topic. So I'll just revise it just you can guys can see it. In case something happens there, you can come here. See log entries has come here now. As you can see, we will delete log entries. For that you go for slash sm12. We need to remove this and put a star or you can just enter here. These are the logs. We'll delete them. Now we'll go for define company. I'll create once again the company, the course. I'm just creating in my access. Okay. After this thing, we will go for edit copy. Delete the log entries here, and we go for edit again. This is called new entries. There's a company code. Here I'll take these Java Connect services. I'll take the addresses here. That's it. This all are optional. These are field required field are company code and country required field. We will save this now. So my company code has been saved. After company code is done, we'll go for assign company code to company. Okay, so we'll go for assign company code to company here. We'll go for here. Again, log data is locked. Someone is using. I think it's a evening time, so many people will practice now. So it is getting locked. IBM 123. This is this. That. So we are done with the company code calculation. Then we go for business areas creation. So it comes under your business areas. I get two business areas. TCS1 and one as a Bangalore, as a Delhi. It is already created. We'll take TCS 7. That's no problem. We'll take this one 7 and 8. After the business areas is, creation is done, we go for the next topic, that is we have financial accounting, financial year of the company. It comes under here, fiscal year, global setting, fiscal year, maintain fiscal year variant, click on maintain, new entries, we'll create our new variant code, that is called as T5, we'll create that here, T5. Before TCS 0, we are dependent. T5 is already given by someone. Optional will take it as 5. Select it, double click on this. So 31/0 April, August, September, October, November, December, and the financial year has been prepared. We'll go for pretext also here and maintain the pretext. Okay, so we'll copy it from here. That's it. We will save the data. Control S, data was saved here. IT we will assign it to the company code here. Again logs. I think many people are using this server right now. It has been saved to the variant code which you have prepared. Then you go for posting period over here. TCP. I'm just optional in my software. If something goes wrong with the server, then you go for here, TCS. Open and close. See, in ESP7 you won't get like this. In this it will ask you your posting period variant code in which you are preparing. If you work on ESP7 version, that version which you are working on, then it will show you like this. All it will show you. Here it will show you which posting period you want to maintain the variant. Can you directly? And the account assignment category as a plus, same, the same way. Comment 21, you can just fill that. Go for assign. Here. We are done with our all configuration in my server access software. Next up what we'll do is we'll go for document number ranges, and here what I will do, I will create some 1 to 20 number ranges. In document types you will understand why I have created 1 to 20 number ranges. Okay, I'm just using the traditional way of creating number ranges. Then you will understand why we do this document number ranges which I'm creating in document type. So what do we do for that? Go for take back here, go to document number ranges, define document number ranges, give the company code over here, click on intervals. You will see you got to insert here some 1 to 20 document number ranges. Actually it's not required to create 1 to 20 document number ranges, but I'll tell you why we use that. These are document types we use here. Okay, so what I will do, you can just create from 1 to 20 because I want to show you everything. 01 2021 01 to 100 number. Next number comes 02 2021 101 to 200, 2021 201 to 300, 301 to 400, 401 to 500, to 700, 701 to 800, 801 to 900. What are the uses of this? Why do we create this document number ranges? Then comes 14. That's it. You got to create some 1 to 20 document number ranges over here. You can see we'll create one by one, 100 numbers, differences will put it. Then we will transfer this data, control S will transfer it and save and enter it off here. So now you will understand